So the question I'm asking and answering today is how to download and install the LostPix experience. The process is very simple. Once you find yourself on one of my videos, simply press show more or see more button. The description should expand and now simply press the one and only link there is. Wait for the optimization catalog to load. Now press F3 or Ctrl and F and type in the name of the game you are looking for. Once you find it, click on the thumbnail of the game and this page will load. Now simply press the Download LostPix Experience button, scroll down a little and select the location from where you would like to download the LostPix Experience. Before you proceed with the download process, simply install the WinRAR archiver. Download link should be posted here as well. Simply download the version for your system and install it. Once you did that, press the download button above and wait for the download link to load. Press the download button and wait until it's finished downloading. Once you have downloaded the compressed zip archive, extract it to your desktop. Now start the setup file and press install LostPix Experience. This may take a few minutes depending on the speed of your system. Once the installation has finished, you will get the shortcuts on your desktop. Start it and start optimizing. Thanks for watching.